This is the RaingerFX Minidrone. It's an all-analog drone machine. It generates massive, low-pitched bassy drones, puts a natural, full, slowly modulating chorus over the whole drone. Tune it to the note you want. The notes are tuned by ear or by tuner. Then you turn on the second drone and pitch that to create any two-note chord you want, a major third, a minor third, a fifth, octaves or a massive unison. There's a major third, or any discordant interval in between. Then you can lean on the eagle pressure pad, which comes with the pedal, and drop that chord down by a tone. This produces a satisfyingly dark and heavy change to the drone. Click the half-tone switch and instead it drops down by just a semitone, which is a much brighter kind of major feel, which means the Minidrone can fit into virtually any musical mode, really. Mix in your instruments over the top of it. The signal has a clean buffer on it, so there's no signal loss over long cables. And you can turn it up to higher than unity gain, which is useful. So with the drones turned off, it's a handy boost pedal. It's a great atmospheric platform for improvising and writing and performing over. It's true bypass, comes in a custom RaingerFX mini pedal enclosure, all the sockets on the top end panel. It's very deep sounding, it's 70 Hz down to about 30 Hz approximately, and it's loud, but the varying modulations make it really easy to listen to. It's hypnotic and powerful. It's like hitting a low note on some big old analog synth. Through the window in the front panel you can see a crime scene unfolding at a motel on the edge of town. The motel sign flashes when you press eagle. You can use it to make these sorts of sounds. Create your own Michael Mann film soundtrack.